Good morning, students. This is class 9th. Today we will study about pure substances around us. Elements and compounds are considered as pure substance. Mixtures are considered as impure substance. Mixtures are of two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, constituents have uniform composition throughout the mixture. In heterogeneous, constituents have non-uniform composition throughout mixture. Air, blood, saturated sugar, water solution, alloys are examples of homogeneous mixture. Rock, oil, and water, mixture of iron fillings and sulfur are examples of heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, particles not visible to naked eye. In heterogeneous mixture, particles visible by naked eye. In homogeneous mixture, all solutions are same throughout the mixture. In heterogeneous, all suspensions are heterogeneous. Mixtures can be classified according to their size of particles also. In such way, mixtures are classified as solution, suspension, and colloid. Solution is also classified as true solution, concentrated solution, unconcentrated solution, and so on. True solution: a solution in which the particles of the solid are broken down to such a fine state that every portion of the solution has the same properties is called a true solution. A true solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In a true solution, the particles of the solute are broken down to a diameter of 10 to the power minus 8 cm or less. Sugar dissolves in water, iodine in ethyl alcohol, they are example of true solution. Characteristics of true solution: a true solution is always clear and transparent. Light can easily pass through it without scattering. This path of light is not visible in a solution. The particles of solute break down to almost molecular size and their diameter are of 1 nm or less. 1 mm is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. A true solution can completely pass through filter paper as particle size of solute is far smaller than the size of pores of filter paper. Thus, the particles of solute cannot be separated by filtration. A true solution a true solution is homogeneous in nature. In a true solution, the particles of solute don't settle down provided temperature is constant. Thus, the true solution is stable in nature. From a true solution, the solute can easily be recovered by evaporation or crystallization. I hope you will learn this